Welcome back to my channel, my people. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and thank you for watching in advance. All right, everyone, this is what I have this morning. Sharing my omelette breakfast with you this morning, but I'm not going to use sardine. I'm going to use some frankfurter, or you can say hot dog. We are saute everything. This is a quick recipe. So while at a saute, we're going to put in with frankfurter, hot dog, or whatever you want to call it. Well, in Jamaica we call it, we say frankfurter. Okay? So we're going to saute everything just like that. So in the meantime, while this is being sauteed, people, we'll deal with the egg right now. So here we have some whisk egg right here. This is about 6 eggs. And now in our egg, we're going to add some mixed spice, okay? Nice in our egg like this. We're going to whisk everything together. So see there, everyone. Whisk up your egg like this nicely. Alright, you can put cheese lovers in your egg if you want. Well, I'm going to put a little bit, just the same. So now you can do 2 types of omelette. You can put everything all together in the egg, or you can pour the egg into the hot oil and then you put all these meat on the side and you fold over egg. But this morning it's quick and easy, so I'm going to just pour everything over into the egg. Alright, so see it here, everyone. Now that's everything in our egg. Remember, this is omelette. Alright, this is my breakfast and I always make when I'm there in Jamaica. All of this goodness. So now in our pot we are going to throw this now. See, just throw a little bit like that. See your egg there? See them, people? Yes. So now this I go fry up. You can stay up on one side. I will flip them up on the other side. Or you can do the folding method. Okay? So just stay tuned. I'm going to show you all this good, nice Jamaican breakfast. This is a breakfast I always prepare when I'm in Jamaica. Yes, all this goodness. Alright, stay tuned. Okay, everyone, see it here. The egg is being formed nicely underneath the bottom. Yes, right underneath the bottom, the egg will form up nicely. Show you, see? Not even sticking on the pot. See? So we don't want nothing to be a runny right now. We're going to add some little cheese on the top. So see it here. Just a little bit of cheese add on to the top. Alright? Don't want too much cheese. Cheese lovers, you can do that if you want. See, look at this now. Nicely. See that? The egg just flip over nicely. Just like that. This is a delicious, lovely recipe. Easy breakfast recipe for your kids, for the family. And listen, this is just the flip over method, and I'm going to do another batch and I'm going to do the folding method. Alright, people, so now stay tuned and don't go anywhere. Alright, yes, fold over method. Everyone, this is the end result of the first one, of the fold over one. Right here, this is the fold over one. This is, remember, this is a frankfurter omelette for breakfast this morning. All right, so, and this is the one that you flipped over now, my people. Okay, so now remember, this is from my kitchen, straight on your table. All this goodness, all this frankfurter omelette. Now don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and thank you so very much for watching and enjoy. Okay, remember, we did this omelette together. All right, in the